Hey, Walter here. Before I forget, go to nakedtradingclass.com if you haven't checked out the class. It's free, and we'll show you how you can build up your account 3 different ways. Right now, I want to talk about the crowd. Why is the crowd always wrong? It's too funny. A couple of my favorite ways to kind of time the markets and see where things are going is public personalities, like as mainstream as you can get. The Economist is another one, or like the business pages of your local newspaper or something like that. So the local know-it-all, like every country or city has the local know-it-all that's like a columnist or somebody that has a radio show or even a TV segment where they'll tell you, what's going on with the gold or the stocks or the housing market or whatever it is, whatever the soup du jour is. And usually they're 100% wrong. And you can usually use the cover of like Newsweek as well. That's a good one. But the question is, why does this work? Why is it that we can look at what's going on in the world and we can figure out where things are headed by doing the opposite? Now, you probably don't have a problem with this because you're a trader and you understand this. But I found it fascinating, like growing up, my parents, they always sold their real estate when they had to, when they needed money, when times were tough. Well, guess what? Everybody else was selling their real estate at the same time. So it didn't make for it wasn't very good trading to buy when everyone else is buying and to sell when everyone else is selling. Not so good. We do know, of course, that it makes a lot of sense to buy when everyone else is selling and to sell when everyone else is buying. But how do you know when they are? Well, the good news is I'm going to share with you on the fancy schmancy screen here. I am going to share with you the market position. So the market position ratios, you can get them in any good broker like Saxo Bank or Awanda. This is IG market. So you tell me which market you would rather sell. Would you rather buy or sell the USD Swissy, where 56% of the traders are shorting it and 44% of them are going long the Swissy? Or would you rather do like I am and sell the New Zealand yen because 88% of the traders are going long? That, my friends, is not a trick question. That's an easy one, right? That's a really easy one to do that. Why? Why do I want to sell the New Zealand dollar and buy the Japanese yen when 88% of the people are on the other side? Because we know that historically, our retail trader buddies, and make no mistake, the retail traders are the ones that pay our profits, okay? We get our money from the retail traders. So all you have to do, you don't have to beat the banks, you don't have to beat the broker, you don't have to worry about any of those people. All you have to worry about is, can you buy when the other retail traders are selling, and can you sell when they're buying? Can you do the opposite of what they do? The best trend indicator I've ever found, not a moving average, not the ADX or any other Gabberwocky. The best thing you can use is other traders. They are the perfect canary in the coal mine. So watching what they do is great. And if you want to time the markets, just think to yourself, is everybody buying right now or is everyone selling? Or another thing you can do is put the 1-minute chart on there and ask some of your friends, especially people who know nothing about trading. We wait for them to all in unison tell you, okay, yep, now the market's going up, or now you should sell, or now you should buy. And then that's usually a turning point. It's like magic. I've done this many times on the 1-minute chart, and it's good fun. Maybe we'll do it sometime, but it's really good fun to see the crowd in operation. The crowd is a wonderful trend trading indicator. It really is a trend indicator. And so it's helpful. And the reason why it works is because the absolute best place you can buy is when there's absolute fear, when everyone's fearful it's going to keep going lower. And the best place you can sell is when everyone's 100% convinced it's going to keep going higher. It's easier said than done, though, to play the fool and go in when everyone thinks you're absolutely nuts. It's kind of fun, though. I like it. And I'm sure you do, too, because you're a trader. I wish you happy trading, and we'll see you in another video. Go to nakedtradingclass.com if you want to get the on-demand training on how to grow an account quickly. See you later. Bye.